Hello everyone, my name is Trung. I'm living in Broadmeadows, a suburb in the northern area of Melbourne City. It's not too far away from the city to Broadmeadows at all. It only takes us 20 minutes drive from the CBD to get to Broadmeadows. And Broadmeadows is a great place to live. It is easy to access to everything and it is so affordable to live in this area. Today I'm going to do some grocery shopping and I would love to take you to the Broadmeadows shopping center, and there is a fruit and veg shop in there called Sacca's. Sacca's is a great place to shop for food, for vegetable, for meat, for everything, to be honest. The prices are so affordable and the quality of food are so amazing. Let's go with me to go to Sacca's. Today, we are heading into one of the most iconic shops in Broadmeadows, Sacca's. If you live around here, you've probably been dragged here by your mom, or maybe you have come here on your own to grab some stuff for the last minute dinner. This place has got everything from fresh food, vegetable, meat, dry food, and they have so many type of nuts as well. They have chestnuts, peanuts, walnuts, and everything. Mushroom, tomatoes, and look at this vegetable. They are so fresh. Oh my god, look at this vegetable. Look at the mixed salad and lemon and tomatoes. Oh, good salad. And they also have longan, apple, and they also sell this fresh coconut as well. And the capsicum are so fresh and beautiful. And you can find so many types of breads over here as well, from Turkish to baguettes to sandwiches. And there are many cultural sweets from Lebanese, Turkish to Greeks, and everything you can find here. Look at these strawberries, they are so beautiful. The strawberry, the raspberry, blueberry, oh my god, they are so fresh and they are very affordable. I always get my fruits from here. They are so juicy, they are so fresh. And look at that, oh my god, look at these grapes. They are so good, they are so fresh, and they are so juicy. I love them. And they also have dragon fruit as well. Wow! And look at these dates. There are so many imported items at Sacca's. You can find all the cultural food at Sacca's. To be honest, I love it. And again, I have to emphasize that I love the cleanliness of the store, and this is always spacious for us to move around. And they also have Asian food as well, like egg noodles, wonton wrap, dumpling wraps, and tofu. And I love their cheese. Their cheese are so good and fresh, and they cut into different portions that we can get them easily. And they are very affordable. There are so many types of cocktails as well, like salami, sausages, and there are many pickles for us to buy as well. They're selling so many types of fish, salmon to sea bass, basa, so many types of fish. They also have shrimp, mussel, squid, and so many other things as well. And when you buy fish from here, they prepare the fish for you. All you have to do is take them home and then marinate them and cook. If you don't want to marinate, don't worry about it, just cook it freshly like that. And I love the onions, to be honest. I always get the 10 kilos onion bags and they last for a whole month. And look at this prime plus area. There are so many types of meats they are selling here, and they all prepared, they all labeled, and you know exactly what you are buying. So you don't have to run around and ask people what they are and how much they are. That is Sacca's. They have everything well prepared, so you don't have to ask anyone for anything. And look at these chickens, and they are so fresh and everything is so cheap, to be honest. It's like very cheap. Sometimes I can get $1 for 1 kilo chicken wings. And now we are in the deli section. And look at these olives and these tomatoes, capsicum, they're beautiful. They are selling many dairy products as well. I love the Greek yogurts. I always get them for my smoothie. And there is patisserie over here as well. When you access the store, there are so many baked items here that you can get. Oh my god, look at this dessert. Oh my god, look at this dessert. I can't stay away from them. Come on, get them out of here. Oh my god, look at them, so beautiful. I just want to grab them. Look at the strawberry. They have so many cultural desserts as well, from Turkish to Lebanese dessert. Oh my god, look at them. Look at the biscuits. Oh my god, the pistachio biscuit. I really love the vibe at Sacca's. So that is Sacca's, a Brody classics. Whether you're doing a proper shops or you're just here for a snack or some vibe, you always live with something, and probably more than what you have planned. And if you're ever in Broadmeadows, you gotta check it out and bring it back. Trust me, you bring home the stuff that you never thought about. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're keen for more local content, and tell me more about the random Sacca find in the comment section below. Catch you next time.